Hello everyone, I hope you are all in good health. When talking about traditional footwear, one name undoubtedly springs to mind: Khussa. I have been a loyal customer of the Mojari brand for quite some time now, and I'd like to share my unboxing experience with you. To start, I placed an order for 2 pairs of Khussas from Mojari. They arrived in pristine packaging, free from any damage, and the delivery was prompt. What immediately caught my eye was their exquisite beauty. The intricate white embroidery and skillful Dabka work were simply stunning. These Khussas are a perfect fit for any occasion, and I purchased them for 2,000 rupees. Transitioning to the second pair, it met my expectations with flying colors. They are not only very aesthetically pleasing but also reasonably priced in comparison to other brands. Purchased at 1,700 rupees. These Khussas are padded and their designs are the same as shown in the pictures. Sizes are perfect. However, it's worth noting that some of Mojari's Khussas may lack durability, and the reasons for this remain unclear. And believe me, these are worth it to the price. But my overall shopping experience with Mojari has been exceptional thus far. I hope you found my video enjoyable. Thank you for tuning in.